everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video on Quide tips I would like to talk about how to disable shift lock in Roblox Studio and how we can do this. So let me directly get into a step. So the first one is all about if you're already in the Roblox, you have to parallelly also launch the Roblox Studio. So just go over here, open your Roblox Studio, and this is how it's going to open it. So it's going to take a little bit of time. So once you log in into your Roblox Studio, all we have to do is just go over here, click on new experience, create a new experience over here like this. Now this is the new experience that you have created right now. So the first and foremost step what you need to do is we just need to go over here and click on view, and you have to make sure that you check or you have to turn on both explore and properties. Right now, as you can see, both the explore and the properties in the black color, which means both are turned on. So if I click on this one, as you can see, one is in black and one is not in black, which means one is selected, another one is not. So make sure that you put a check. You have to click on both and make sure that both are turned on. Then you have to go over here and click on the starter player. Now from here, the first and foremost, if you scroll down, you can see the camera minimum zoom distance is set into 0.5. So you have to change it into 5. That's what you have to try. And parallelly, if you scroll down, you can see over here in the not the control, over here on the control, you can see there is an option called enable mouse lock option. So if it is turned on, we have to turn this off. Now the shift lock is completely disabled in your Roblox account, and this is what you have to do. And I hope this quick video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. That's it. Bye bye.